Communication is based on movement.
That only works in movies.
Maxie, what are you doing? Hello. Hello. It's really clear, isn't it? Look, Max come to see me. Hello, Maxie.
That's what we
Hello,
do.
Max.
The dog's going to start getting jealous in a minute.
Hello, what are you doing? I can't stroke you. I've got a cup of cold coffee in one hand.
Do you want me to go and put it on the table?
No, that's fine. Hey, Max Pax. Hello. Are you coming to say hello? Say hello to the camera, look.
I did the cats and we
Yes, that's my coffee, and it is cold, don't worry. I don't like... Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Show camera your paws, look, when you go paw, because you want to... Maxie paw. Max Pax. Max Pax, where's your paw? Oh, look, who's just sneaking on my shoulder? Hello, Coco. Cookie. Coco Pops. Where's it, naughty dog? Hello, Coco Pops. Hello, what are you doing? Hello.
Still videoing?
Yeah. I'm trying to get them both in, one behind the other. Can you take the camera and do it? Still recording. Get them both in, look. Keep them in focus and go back there a bit and get them both in. It's really good, look.
I already can.
Hi. Hey, Max Pax. Dual stroke time. Coco, do you want a little touchy stroke too? Oh, I love you. Yeah, we love you. Yeah. Puppy, hey puppy. Look, Max. Turn your head because you're jealous and you don't want to start letting your animal instinct kick in and start chasing the cat. Alright? What you doing, Coco? What matter? What matter? Coco, come on. Come here, Coco.
Dad, I've got Coco in.
You notice how Coco turns away because she doesn't want to get told off for getting all jealous and grumpy. So she turns away, so...
It's the biggest cat in the world. We should get Freddy in here. Shouldn't we?
Will that come out alright if you do that? Does it automatically tilt to the angle you're recording at?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, so it should come out straight if anybody watches it. Oh look, another loan advert. Sorry, compensation advert.
Shut up.
They take all your money away.